Okay, what's going on, guys? It is election day, and it's coming into noon and Eastern. Do a recap just what we did this morning. Pretty good day for tech, and then where we're setting up coming into this evening. Kind of expect the results to go late. I mean, we're probably having a recount, all kinds of that back and forth. I'm sure that's going to go on. But yeah, we'll just talk big picture edges and kind of what I did. I did a little bit here in crypto today also. So coming in this morning was just pretty simple, really. The 30-minute cycle was down, so we like to just start there. We talk about our runway on the trading team concept of trying to get at the beginning of a day trade cycle, which could be several hours long, and that's exactly what's set up this morning on the Nasdaq. So you came in, the 30-minute cycle was starting to turn up around 7:38. I mean, it was low coming off of London session, and then when you look at the 5-minute, it was kind of quiet. You had a pullback on the open. You went down to pi. I actually missed buying the low, but then I chased it a little bit higher as we came back up. But I came in a little bit long, added, and then there was several kind of add and reduce opportunities on the 1-minute here on NASDAQ also. You didn't get much of a pullback right off the bat. But this is one of the days where you can add, and then you have a huge profit cushion. You don't even need a pullback if you want to add another lot. I mean, you're kind of playing with the house money at that point. So your break even's very low below the market. You add another lot, obviously that moves up your average cost, but if you've got plenty of room, you don't need to be worried about getting shaken out. But I did add on a couple lots here on this 1-minute pullback. Then you got to move to a new high. That was nice. And then I did it again here, bought, sold, bought, sold. And now I'm back to just long 2 contracts, which is what I was coming into the day. So on the other side of that was short a little bit of S&P and did not add any more on the full contracts, but then I sold minis. I know a lot of you guys are doing that. So our last signal on micro E-minis and S&P was a cover. And then now this is a great spot to put some back here at pi on the hourly. You can see even the RSI is oversold. So these are not levels to be pressing shorts. These are cover levels. Now you can start to put some back out if you covered well. I know some of you are playing the Russell. It would be pretty similar if you like the Russell on the short side. 1600, I kind of thought maybe yesterday would be the spot we could get back to. And you got a BCI. Small cap might want to trade back to the 1630, 1640 level. It just depends on how you play it, but we are kind of hanging out around near pi on the hourly. So if you're long, great, good session. You had lots of opportunity to add day trade longs this morning. And then this is a spot where maybe if you're swing trading, you put a little bit of a few more shorts back out. So here's kind of what my day looked like in the NASDAQ futures. You guys can do this too. This is the last day to sign up. I talked about over the weekend, the 25% off forever discount you can lock in. If you guys, I've got a link for that. If you guys want to join the prop team and you want to get funded through Top Step, they've added another 600,000 in withdrawals between the last probably 6 weeks. I've been keeping an eye on it. If you're not familiar with their program, this is for futures trading, day trade. They have a Forex combine. They have a swing trade program as well, but this is how you should be day trading. I like the 15 contract setup. Gives you a $3,000 daily loss limit. And then you can see, like on a day like today, I mean, there's plenty of money to be made there on the long side. I didn't even come close to using 15 contracts. I was probably long 4 NASDAQ, back to 2 longs, back to 4 longs, back to 2 longs to put together this type of day. And like I said, you guys can do that. I'll train you, help you get through the combine. I've done it, get you funded. And the key is just having a process and having a team and sticking with it. And then, there's a lot of little things that help when you're trading live, when you're trading risk in real time with someone. You can kind of get a feel for when you should stop, when you reverse, how you add and reduce, how you work your average cost. All that good stuff comes with experience, time in the chair. That's what our prop program's about. But you guys can see that like for 15 contracts, was $375 a month, which isn't bad at all when you consider, I mean, you wanted to trade on a institutional desk, you got to get licensed. Or even on some of these prop desks that if you want to trade the firm capital, you got to go get sometimes a couple different licenses. You're going to have your fees you pay for quotes. Sometimes you got to pay the like virtual desk fee. So if you're trading anywhere in the world for $375, it's not bad at all. I mean, you have no commissions through TradeVate, which you can trade through. That alone is worth it. I mean, I was trading $10 a ticket on the institutional side, and I would spend $1,000 a day. Plus, you get a $2,000 terminal, Bloomberg. Those are a lot of trading costs that add up. So this is nothing but the discount that they're running right now is. I had to print. I have a link set up where. Oh, here you go. So it's 25% off. So you're saving almost $100 a month, guys, for the lifetime of trading on this account. I think that's a great deal. They're doing that offer through today, so take advantage of that. And if you want me to send you that link and you want to sign up with us, just go to jenkinscm.com. My whole prop program, you can go to memberships. And, you know, instead of starting with a small account, just trying to trade minis, guys, you need the buying power. Most traders fail because they don't have enough capital. So don't spend the money putting it on a small account. You're better off getting involved with a program like us, putting your money in here, learn a model, learn a process that you can have. You'll be equipped forever. You can trade any market, longer term time frames. I don't care if it's Forex futures, whether you want to trade commodities, crypto, but you're going to get all my courses. You get our model, and then you're going to get to trade with me live every day and all the coaching and mentorship that comes, whatever it is you want to help with. I'm there every day. We're trading together. So it's just a great value. $3,000 will help. And then you gotta, you know, you're going to get funded and you have help every day. So I think that's a pretty good deal. If you do that, you sign up, then I'll get you over the link to take advantage of that, the discount on the prop stuff. Oh, and then the other thing was crypto. So if you guys haven't been paying attention, but we've got back involved in crypto, I have another service. It's under that same area, under the membership section. So this Crypto Edge, you got the monthly or quarterly price. I talk about it here. That's where you can sign up. So we made some moves there in the crypto space. There's been some nice cycles here on Link. I'll just tell you guys, I'm going to probably be scaling back in here in front of 9 again. 8 was a really good spot. But I mean, these are some nice moves lately, 20, 30% just on some of these intermediate term cycles. So I did some other moves in alts as well today. So don't miss on that. Don't miss out on that. If you guys want to get back involved and, you know, we want to whip around some of these coins and crypto and stay up to speed on what's going on, from security tokens to how we're doing some of these pairs trades and just the whole space in general. Even if you just want to focus on BTC, I took some gains on that today. We signaled that as well. Had some good buys lately. So you guys, hope that helps. Hopefully we don't have too much chaos here into the evening in the next couple of days as far as post-election. But if the market's whipping around, I'll see you guys in the chat. And yeah, sign up for the prop team. Maybe even see some in the morning. All right, guys, have a good one.